All right, so good morning. This is the secondary assembly. And of course, it's January 14, 2021. So the temperature outside is 21 centigrade, degrees centigrade. All right. And it's the AQI is 180. So I'm not sure if it's like, it's good to open your windows, but you have to make sure that, you have to be mindful about the AQI. It's like a bit high. It's unhealthy for people who has like some lung problems or difficulty in breathing.
Good morning, everybody. I wanted to talk to the students today in the secondary just to go over a few observations and a few reminders. Our goal here is to have a effective online learning, and that's a two-way street. I'd like for the students to be a little bit more interactive. I've noticed the teachers are doing a good job of prompting for questions, but a lot of students seem shy online, and we need to kind of get over the shyness and get more engaged and more interactive in our conversations online, and especially between different students. And I've asked the students, to set their camera and their workstation up very professionally where you can be seen completely like you can see me now in this video. So you can interact with your teachers, look directly in the camera and speak to them. This is an interactive system and we need the students to participate fully. The class times are shorter than we have when we're in the campus. And there's a lot more activities the students have to do on their own self-directed. In the afternoons, especially for secondary 1 to 2:45, you're expected to be working on the assignments, homework, and the activities and projects that your teachers have laid out for you. So overall, I'm happy. I think things are getting going well for the first week, but I'd like to see the students participate more and engage online more with the teachers especially. So please continue to work harder, and hopefully this is only a temporary few weeks before we can be back at the campus. Let's hope. So anyway, that was my announcements for this morning.
As you guys know that this year we start our year with an online school, and I know that it is something that we didn't expect it and we didn't want it to happen, but it already did. So for now, what we're supposed to do is to get the benefit from this pandemic. And I would recommend you guys to have a time management which will help you and make things seem to be easier and also be disciplined while learning. Anyways, I wanted to say is thank you to all the coordinators, teachers, and staff who tried their best and working hard to find a way for us to being able to learn and gain knowledge during this pandemic time. So students, please listen and behave well to your teacher and give them attention as much as you could. I know that this is hard, and I believe that you all can do it, and I know that you guys can do it. Don't look at the problem as problem, but look it as an opportunity. So whatever you're facing through, whether it seems to be a problem, never give up. Good luck, and may God bless you all. Thank you.
All right, the news about the safety, about the spreading of the virus, I am following up the figures, the daily figures, the new infected cases. It shows that yesterday there was a good drop in the number of the new cases. And let's pray that this drop will continue so that we can join our campus before, after the end of this month. Hopefully next month we will start at the campus.